Shoulders. Okay, hips. Hato. When I say shake it all out, when I say shake it all out, run and shake your voice out. Oh! Sa baba, ah. Do not shout. Okay? Siya kayong relax. Shake mo pa. Elbows. Hips. Half toe. And shake it all out. Lion King. Okay, inhale, exhale. Remember breathing, ah. You have to learn to breathe properly. Kasi pag nagsasalita, dapat actually ganun tayo mag-breathe. At saka, yung sarili mo. Because you have to discover saan yung weak points. Okay, tinatawag tayo mga, ano yung shifting, para malaman nyo yung saan yung strength, saan yung weak. O walang middle. Okay? If you have... Oui.
Alright.
Okay. Is everybody in? Wala pa.
Hindi po ba sira?
Sira? Ay, ito. Ay, walang soal. Ayun. Kinain siya.
Kumakain just step on the left. Pagka...
Hindi pa din. Calories. Yan. Okay, sorry.
My heart's not free.
Dito na ba lahat? Hindi pa. Huwag masyado malapit sa akin, ha? Sophisticate ako. Masyadong to my face. Sophisticated. Ano yung kanina? Bakit? Please get off me. Okay, wag mo siya, kung nakaupo kayo, sit up ha, edge, walang cross legs. Okay? Kung nakatayo, wag naman masyadong slouch, walang ganyan, love. God, is that you? Go up. Yung sound ng hikab, o yun. Ha! Very good. Yun yun. Parang forward. Okay? Okay. Blue. Okay. Listen to your voice.